Hello everyone. Welcome back to Essence of Bharat. Today, we are diving into one of ISRO's groundbreaking projects that showcases India's leap in space technology, SPADX, the Space Docking Experiment. So, what exactly is SPADX? SPADX stands for the Space Docking Experiment, a highly ambitious project by the Indian Space Research Organization. It aims to develop and demonstrate the technology required for docking to spacecraft in orbit. This technology is a key step toward enabling several future space missions, including on-orbit servicing, assembly of large structures in space, and human spaceflight missions. Docking involves two spacecraft coming together in space to connect mechanically and electronically. Sounds simple? Well, it's far from it. Docking requires precise navigation and guidance, advanced propulsion control, extremely accurate sensors and cameras to ensure the two spacecraft align perfectly. ISRO's SPADX is being developed with two main components: Chaser spacecraft, the active spacecraft that maneuvers toward the target; Target spacecraft, the passive spacecraft that awaits the docking. ISRO plans to use indigenous technology to achieve this feat, showcasing India's self-reliance in cutting-edge space tech. The success of SPADX will open doors to on-orbit servicing, repairing and refueling satellites in space; space station development, building modular space stations for research and habitation; deep space exploration, assembling large spacecraft for interplanetary missions. This will not only revolutionize how we approach space missions but also put India on the global map as a leader in advanced space technology. ISRO began working on SPADX in recent years, and test missions are expected to take place in the near future. However, challenges like precision engineering, testing in microgravity conditions, and maintaining communication during the docking process must be overcome. With SPADX, ISRO is stepping into a new era of space exploration. This project is not just about docking spacecraft, it's about enabling India to dream bigger and aim higher in the vast cosmos. So, what do you think about SPADX and its potential to transform space exploration? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Essence of Bharat for more exciting space content. See you in the next video.